Hello, welcome back to Sushi Live Coding. In this episode, we're gonna have a look at this kind of a special feature in Sverchok. They call it the what is it called? The flow control. So the basic idea is that you can have, for example, two kind of different data, and then you can use this mask join and kind of interchangeably use a pattern to generate a new kind of mesh. This is one of the gems that I talk about. If you go to Sverchok and then you look at under the issues, and you actually have a lot of examples, heaps of examples. Like this one is like super basics, but it gives you a very interesting result. And you can actually create gear or whatever. In this case, it looks like the LightSaber thing, like the handle that I was talking about. I'll show you how I did this one. I'll hide this first, and let's have a look at these things that looks like kind of like a watermelon, but it's actually you can use this to generate the cactus thing. So the nodes that's responsible is list mask join. This guy have this choice, and the choice at level 2 can give you control over two different objects. So in this case, two sphere, one is with a higher radius, this one is with a lower radius, but it can be anything really. This is just two vertices data, and here with the list input you can kind of generate a pattern. If you have just like a 0 and 1 and 0, you get this this pattern. So two list input here, that's which means this guy should also kind of like a multiply of 2, and you end up with something like this, and you can back it out. And so yeah, really quickly you get this kind of cactus looking objects. That's the example from Linus here, from 2014. That's actually like pretty old, and I have not used this for a while. And then this is another example. This one I'm using cylinder, and then this is the list mask join node again, and the one that's responsible for this gear looking thing is of course the different radius of the cylinder. Okay, so one bigger, one smaller, and then also this pattern right here, 1 0 0 1. So it's gonna repeat itself, 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1, and so on and so on. And we can control the height of the cylinder, of course. And here we have the integer thing going into the vertices. Basically it needs to be the multiplier of 4 because we have 4 items in the list input right here. That's generate the pattern, and the pattern can be anything. Let's say we create another pattern. Let's try 1 0 0, and let me have like a 1 0 1 1 1, so something like this. If you want to have like a sharp thing, so that's 0 0. Okay, we have 7 here, so we need to make this multiplier of 7 at least. So now we have something that looks like a sun. Okay, so that's another example. I'll quickly bake this. So yeah, this is very, very powerful. Whenever you need something like a gear, you can simply use this these nodes right here. Back to the gear thing, and I can make this looking so that it looks like the LightSaber handle. This guy can be pretty intricate very, very quickly. So there you go. That's the LightSaber handle thing. Another part of the LightSaber. Very easy to create using Sverchok add-on. Yeah, you can play around with the radius top and bottom. Basically, this is just switching between the two, but you actually can have more than two. This is just a quick way to do it. This is 8. We can have smaller. So sometimes, oh, that's actually interesting. If you're that's a multiplier of 7, should be 4. So yeah, that's very cool. Can bake it. So yeah, this is really simple to understand. Just two objects of the same kind. You pipe it in the vertices data and then interchange it using some kind of list masking pattern. You can think of it, this is something that's kind of repeat itself here inside it, and you can try all kind of different pattern once again. So 1010, of course, or 0110 is similar to 1001, but you can try things like 1101 and you test it out. So you get another like a sun looking thing. Let's try something different. See, you can have this kind of pattern. Yeah, there's like endless possibilities right here. If you use, instead of using cylinder, if you use like a ring, you can also get a different result. So yeah, this is again, I was kind of surprised. This is something that I almost missed as well. This guy's from 2014. There's a lot example that you can use. Yeah, I'm glad that I found this one. Can be something that's really useful in the future. Yeah, hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.